Oh, I just noticed I like my hairstyle. My hair though, it's a limited edition, by the way. So, welcome if you're new here. This is me. Keep on watching if you like my video. Keep on watching, guys. So, what I'm gonna do today, okay? So, but anyway, I just opening this bank promises. It's kind of big. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. This is the one I'm going to open. Because why not? So what is this here? Oh, I like this. I like the oversized, but this is not so oversized. I picked what's this? Medium. This is medium. I like this design, guys. That's why I picked this. What is this? From Lucky Brand. I like Lucky Brand. So here you go. Perfect for summer. Easy going. Like very comfortable on the go. With jeans or shorts. Okay, but the summer is gonna be in. But next year. Okay, and what I got here, this is a towel, guys. I like the Lacoste one. I picked 2 colors. I like it. Pink and green. What do you guys think of this pink? I like this one, very thick. This is Heritage Micro Fresh Towel. I like it because micro fresh. 100% Superma cotton loops. Oh, see? This is nice. It's very absorbable. I like it, especially for my hair. Okay, of course, for my body. All right, so that's all I